Corona.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
I am Captain Eduardo Limpin, President of a shipping corporation. Kahit na senior na, I never grow tired of working for my family and company. Pero dapat alalay din sa trabaho. I make sure to live a healthy lifestyle, proper diet, and exercise. I also have MX3 capsule and coffee as my daily supplement. Tunay, natural, at original. Thank you MX3 capsule, dito ako believe.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3. Tested and proven with alpha, beta, at gamma mangosteen.
Manila, get ready. Don't miss Music Travel Love. Sunday, June 28th, New Frontier Theater, Quezon City, Manila. Tickets available at Ticketnet outlets or log on to ticketnet.com.ph or call 911-5555. A night full of nostalgic love songs. Music Travel Love Philippine Tour is presented by Concert Republic.
Santon Gold Coffee Mix.
Ako nga pala si Clarice, naghahanap talaga ako ng kape ng di lang pampagising. Kundi uuwi akong glowing kahit puyat. Good thing may Santon Gold Coffee Mix. Masarap na, may free collagen and glutathione ka pa.
Santon Gold Coffee Mix. Nagkape ka na, lalakas, gaganda ka pa. Mabili sa mga butika.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy.
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Plus Gold.
Ako si Morito na namamaga ang aking atay. Sa loob ng 2 linggo na paggamit ko ng Santon Plus Gold, nawala ang pamamaga sa aking atay. Maraming salamat sa Santon Plus Gold.
Santon Plus Gold. Mas pinalakas, pinagaling, pinahusay. Santon Plus Gold. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Ang kinis na niya.
In fairness, nag-glow up. May budget.
So solid. White Rose Papaya. Wow, White Rose. White Rose Papaya. Wow, White Rose. White Rose Papaya. May glow up with White Rose Papaya.
Sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa puti power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Glow up by the power of 2.
White Rose Papaya. Kuti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Araw-araw, MX3 para MX-Traordinary. With alpha, beta, gamma na sangkap nito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3,
Capsule coffee and tea.
with MX3,
It's for you and me.
with MX3, dito ako believe.
Hello, beautiful people! Ako ang inyong tita Winnie Cordero. MX3 capsule. Dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be Extraordinary with MX3.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
DCXL News. Ang himpilan ng RMN. Usapan